I'm Emily Junkins, and I attend school at West Virginia Junior College, and I'm a dental assistant.
And I'm Molly O'Dell, and I'm also going to West Virginia Junior College for dental assisting.
Today, we're going to practice proper hand washing, and we're going to go through the steps with Molly O'Dell.
Alright, so step 1 is use warm water. Warm water kills germs better than cold water. Alright, step 2, use a liquid soap, no bar soap. Step 3, scrub hands with soap, palms, and in between fingers for 20 seconds. And don't forget your nails. Alright, and step 4, you rinse soap off well and use a clean towel to pat dry your hands.
Make sure to use your paper towel to turn off the sink so germs don't get contracted to your hands.
You are done.